Hi kids, today we're going to uncover the amazing process of food miles, the journey food takes from the farm to our homes. Let's get started. First things first, what are food miles? Food miles refer to the distance food travels from where it is produced, the farm, to where it is consumed, our homes or restaurants. This journey involves several steps, and understanding it helps us appreciate the effort that goes into the food we eat. Let's break down this journey step by step. Here's the step-by-step process of how food travels to us. Planting and growing. Farmers plant seeds in their fields and care for the crops as they grow. This process can take several months depending on the crop and weather conditions. Harvesting. Once the crops are ripe, they are harvested. For example, wheat is cut, collected, and prepared for the next step. Processing raw crops. After harvesting, raw crops are processed into food products. For example, wheat is milled into flour that we use to make bread or chapatis. Packaging. The processed food is carefully packaged to keep it fresh and safe for transport. Transportation. Packaged food is transported over long distances to markets or retailers. This step adds to the food miles depending on how far the food travels. Selling at markets. Foods are then sold at local markets, stores or supermarkets where we buy them. Preparation and consumption. Finally, we bring the food home, prepare delicious meals, and enjoy eating it. Now you might be wondering, why are food miles important? Here's why. Reducing transportation costs. The longer the food travels, the more fuel and money it costs to transport. Reducing pollution. Food that travels long distances increases carbon emissions and pollution, which harm the environment. Supporting local farmers. Buying locally grown food reduces food miles and helps local farmers earn a better living. Keeping food fresher. Foods that travel shorter distances stay fresher and retain more nutrients. So, reducing food miles is not only good for the environment but also for your health and your local community. Understanding the effort that goes into growing, processing, and transporting food also helps us value it more. To avoid food wastage, remember these tips. Take only what you can eat. Don't take extra food on your plate if you can't finish it. Store food properly. Keep fruits, vegetables, and grains fresh for longer by storing them the right way. Support local farmers. Buy fresh produce from local markets to reduce food miles and minimize waste. Every time you eat a meal, think about the journey it took and try not to waste it. Great job, kids! You now know about food miles and the amazing effort that goes into bringing food to our plates. I'll see you in the next video with more exciting lessons. Until then, stay curious and keep learning. Goodbye.